Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Streaming live every market opens. You guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If you want to join me on that journey, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, y'all. What's up, Three Pony? Good morning. All right. So, yesterday was an epic disaster fail and a learning experience about how quickly things can go to poop emoji. And gotta stay vigilant, man. Gotta stay vigilant. What's up, Trayvon? Um, yeah, man. It's a strict business, and there's some room for discretion, and there's some room for you know um, flexibility. But then there's some things that have to be very rigid, and you can never break those rules, or you'll never be successful. And I just have to keep those lines in the sand. Like, I feel like I've identified at least my trading window, which is from market open till about the first hour, 9:30 to 10:30. Like, that's when I want to be trading. I don't want to be trading here. I know, bro. So I don't want to take trades pre-market. I don't want to take trades after 10:30. And I don't want to lose more than 1 R on a ticker. So I'm canceling out the double dip because usually it's just emotional, and most times I don't get my trade back. I don't know. I mean, sometimes I do, but if the first entry was good and I get stopped out, then it's not usually a good idea to get back in. So yeah, yeah, Q. It's lock in time. Bro, I really thought the crash outs were behind me. I was like, all right, man, I'm done. The max I'm gonna lose is 2R, and I'm good with that. I was really becoming, like, in my heart, like, feeling like I'm not gonna lose more than 2R in a day. And then losing 2R pre-market before I even had a chance to start the day, that just jacked me up, man. It's just like, well, like, the right thing to do is to just not trade anymore. But that's not fair. So yeah, yesterday was bad, man. Um, but yeah, I'm ready today. I got SMCI. Oh, I think I kind of got my scanner worked out. I've there was some criteria that I had. It was a volume criteria, like a relative volume criteria, and it shouldn't have kept the list from populating, but it did. As soon as I removed it, I actually got a list, a gap list, and I like it. Yeah, yeah. I don't want to be opposite you on the trade, Q. Wave Rider, what's going on, bro? What's the wave today, man? Nvidia popped up on the scans all of a sudden. That's actually nice. A nice that's nice right there. I kind of like that. I don't know. It's made lower lows, but it looks like as good of a turnaround day as any. Nice narrow range candle on high volume. What was yesterday looking like? Huh. That was yesterday. This is a tight range. I don't know, man. I feel like the daily chart be tripping sometimes. but nothing special is happening with Nvidia right now, is it? Yeah, it's got a little R-vol. But anyway, so I would say SMCI is my number one pick. It's got like a 25% gap, 24 million shares traded. And then I got Sim, which symbiotic. Yeah. I don't know then. That sounds sketchy. Three pony. Um yeah, I like the daily setup on Sim, but it just I just feel like it should have more volume. If it was really special, like why aren't people trading it? But it's holding uh somewhat of an uptrend in pre-market. It's just thin, but it's got like a 30% gap, you know. So I don't know. Hey Noor, salam, Habibi. Um, yeah, but just the gap is so impressive. And did it have news? We're looking on time. Okay, we got time. Symbiotic stock rises 29%. It's too late to buy. Earnings call. Okay, they had earnings yesterday. Net loss of 45 million. 55% growth year over year, but a net loss of 51 million adjusted. I don't know. Man, I appreciate it, bro. I need a great day after yesterday, man. I need a good morale booster and a reminder that I kind of know what I'm doing a little bit. What's up, Joe Dub? Man, that's good, bro. Yeah, I just had one little slip yesterday. It'd be that one rule break that throws me off, and I just have a hard time recovering, man. Okay, so Sim is an AI-enabled robotics technology company. Mm. All right, well, we're gonna watch it, and then I got Walmart because their daily's awesome, and they have incredible Arval today. Yo, what's up, Arthur? Yes, sir, man. Let's get it. It is time. Got 5 minutes till the open. Oh man. Yeah, no, it's I think it's like your mental I'm assuming your mental slip ups happen further and further apart the better you get. Like you get better at staying solid, emotionally for longer periods of time without or like a relapse. And they're less intense, as you get better. What's up, signature? Maddie Matt on the spy. Yeah, it is. Man, the SPY making some scary moves to the downside here. I don't know. SPY's looking pretty bearish to me right now. Shraven. I think what happens today is gonna be kind of a big deal. Like if we stay below this candle right here, especially if we push down like into 580, I think we might be you know, in for a little pullback. But I mean, this is also a good level for it to bounce as well. So I don't know. Man, that's an excellent win rate. That's the thing though, Arthur. I don't want to trade something that is I know is gonna be super affected by the SPY. That's why I don't like the big caps. But just the RVOL on Walmart, look how much like it's moving a lot, man. Like it's pretty volatile. It's got a lot of volume. It makes sense to watch it to me. So I'm gonna check it out. Look at it, man. It's booming. SMCX over SMCI. Like 47%. Yeah, bro. Win rate at 80%. That's amazing, man. But I would assume what's would that mean your risk to reward is low? Your win loss ratio? Like are you like 1 to 1? I don't know. It sound like you pulling in some ducats too though. SMCX. Hmm. SMCX. Well, why do you say SMCX better than SMCI? Uh, doesn't have the volume, but it looks like it's pretty much the same chart. You a fan of Walmart? Win rate is overrated. Doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile. Yeah, it's definitely how much you lose and how much you win is the biggest factor. Oh, leverage share. I still don't my brain doesn't understand the benefit of trading leveraged ETFs or stocks. I don't. Maybe I'm a little retarded, I don't know, but I don't get it. It doesn't make sense to me. I mean, I understand it. I don't understand. All right, folks, we got about 30 seconds till the bell. Um, man, I really want to just wait for like really good buying opportunities. A lot of times I feel like it's going up and I just want to get in before it gets too far. Right. But yeah. Yeah, waiting for the setup is super hard. That's literally what I'm thinking about right now, Newell. It's just about waiting for like the real setup, like where it's like, oh my God, I have to buy this right now. Not FOMO, but just like this is the perfect setup. So it's so hard to be patient for it. Yeah, it's tough, man. But it can be done. It's just something you got to figure out what it is in your mind, like what you got to figure yourself out, man, because you can trick yourself into anything. Man, this is a nice little dip into the lows right here. Like almost worth risking that for the 1 minute orb, yo. But it's so extended to the top, man. It could definitely keep rolling down. And look at me, I'm about to yeah, for sure, Kay. All right, Sim is stretching to the downside, which I like to see. I love seeing red off the open. Yeah, I really want I'm hoping to get my average R multiple up really high with trading these lower day setups. Yeah. That's it. It's just practice. Just keep practicing patience. Practice patience. That's our thing. Man, bro, I really wanna I think this is worth taking over the highs, man. Nah, but what we say, we're gonna wait for the good setup though, right? Not just gonna buy it because it's going up. Appreciate it, Kay. Yeah, I want that. I want like at least 4R to be an average. That would be pretty decent. I know that's a lot though, but I think it's possible. Bro, I want to take Sim, man. I really wanted to take it over the opening range right there. Uh, Sometimes I feel like I'm being scary, man. It's like that thin line between making a good play and being reckless. So it's hard to trust yourself on which one you're being. Um, Man, yeah. Mm. Yeah, I don't like this big red candle here though. I had to see something. Trying to remind myself to just wait for something special. Just wait for something special. Got the three most exciting things this morning. Let's just wait. Man, I wish I do kind of feel like I could have been a little braver with Sim, man. I wanted to take it over this candle, but wasn't that wide of a stop. uh, oh yeah, yeah. I'm actually pretty good right there, man. This feels takeable right here on Walmart, man. C'est FOMO. Let's be patient. Major key. Oh man, I want that. I'm gonna wait though. Yeah, yeah. Dang, bro. Look at Sim, man. That sucks. I shouldn't have been scary, man. I should have took it. This is a nice dip on Sim down here, man. SMCI is getting beat up a little bit over there. Dang, man. I'm about to miss everything. I talked myself out of this right here on Walmart just because it made a lower low right here. But it still got bought right up. SMCI is pretty much the only potential on the board now. Maybe down here at 25. That's like a big drop though. Oh yeah. All right. What did this come down to? 25.61. Walmart coming back in after a lower high. Got a lower low and now a lower high. There's some nice green volume that came in here though. Could take that. But it's not really a great buying opportunity, is it? Nope. Man, I would just love if SMCI threw me a nice little narrow range double bottom pattern right here. And I could get a nice tight entry. This could be. Huh. Yeah, I do remember talking about Reddit. Dang, 133. This is a nice little setup too on the one. Hold on, SMCI. Slow your roll a little bit. Slow your roll. Come on down just a little bit more. A little bit more. Boy, look at Sim coming all the way back in. Just never know what it's going to do. What were you in, Joe? Oh, Sim. Oh, you took Sim, huh? Well, that's hardly a narrow range entry. Got in at 38.50. Yeah, I feel you. All right, well, we got our two positions here. You in Walmart at 86.99. Okay, I'm with you at 87.02 and SMCI at 26.20. Uh-oh. Dum 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 dum. We gonna see. If SMCI could go and have itself a day. I want to adjust this hotkey and so it just puts the stop in and not the bracket order. I wanted to do the calculations that it does and then put my stop in. And that way I'll be ready to take my quarters out. Ah, man. Joe Dub, you said 26.50. That's not a bad entry, though. It just, yeah, I guess it's just depend on which 26.50 you got in on. Dang, man. Yeah, that sucks, bro. Ooh, Sim looking good now too, yo. right out, right over that red candle. At Walmart. Yeah, it's not looking great. Look like Symbol was the one I should have waited on. And I didn't use lower day for risk. That's gonna be my bad for sure. What's up, Ben? Nah, that could never be you, Ben. Appreciate it, T-Lo. Hey, hit that like button for me, guys. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I mean, honestly, there hasn't really been much of a buying volume since the opening candle here. Um, yeah, Sim might have been the one right there off of VWAP. Not the greatest entry, but probably better than my Walmart entry here. We'll see though. All right, SMCI, we got a higher high here. We just took out 2651 with a high of 2653. Yeah, man, I wish I took Sim over Walmart, yo. Shouldn't have even been watching Walmart. This was pretty wide range though, so I can't be too mad at myself. The range on this stop would have been ridiculous. Yeah, and that's gonna be the painful part is watching it go without you, knowing you made a good move on it. All right, look at SMCI, yo. Come on, Walmart, man. Got a little flag going. You along with the SMCI? Yo, we cooking. Let's take that out first of all. Um, yo, son. Sim back to VWAP. Sim looking good, yo. Walmart is not. Yo, SMCI. What? Quarter out, baby. Yes, sir. All right, quarter out. Do do do. How we looking, Walmart? Yo, pre-market high is a country mile away at 30 50. Yo, Noor, you got some of that too? Let's get it. Come on, Walmart. You can do it, man. You ain't gotta make a fool out of me. Spy coming in hot. Ooh. Like a fireball. Volume's really tapered down in Sim. Well, stopped out of Walmart. Walmart was hella subpar. I need to start grading my setup so I can say out loud that this is a B setup or a C setup before I enter it and be like, why am I taking a B setup? You know? All right. Yo, we cooking, man. I'm holding, yo. I'm holding. Maybe I'll sell some at. Let's just watch the volume. Let's just watch the volume. I don't think we need to do anything else today. $27.80. Man, look at that. 28.25. That's blowing out the water, Joe. Did you sell some? You said we're gonna halt up. uh, you're out. Target's 29.5 on SMCI, but need to see red first. I'm gonna kick myself for this one. Yeah. Dang, I thought I was. Oh, man, what? All right, whatever. And then here's my Walmart trade that I didn't use low of day on, and now it's curling back up. All right. I gotta stop taking trades when I'm in winning trades. That's what I don't want to do. It's like I'm just taking away from my winner while I'm winning. Man, I should have been taking a quarter out up here instead of trading away on SMCI. I mean on Sim. Man, I'm so mad at myself for not using lower day. And Walmart and SMCI again. This honestly, I mean, back to VWAP is a great pullback on this. I should have sold a quarter here though. You now some volume. That's why I don't like these big caps, man. They do suck. Ooh wee. Sim comes crashing down. I think Mara was doing some stuff this morning. Yeah, Mara was nice today. Oh, I'm gonna pay dearly for that. Yeah, I'm hoping so too. That's what's up, Joe. Sim just threw a nice double bottom, man. If I could have just waited for this. Big volume, nice bounce. More volume on this bounce. This was the entry to wait for right here. You know, if there was ever a reason to try. Yeah, man. Walmart look like it's gonna go too, man. I just gotta keep remembering when I don't want to put my stop at low a day, it means that it's not low enough yet. Like it ain't pulled back enough. Cause I definitely should still be in Walmart right now. SMCI. This is gonna be the inshallah the saving grace for today. Cause broke it. Just keep breaking them rules, man. Double dipped on Walmart. Didn't use lower day stop on the first or the second one. Or on Sim. Didn't use lower day stop on Sim either. Bruh. The only good execution I got is SMCI, and look what happened. still paying for the commission. Man, SMCI really hadn't even moved yet. Well, I guess it kind of has. Still look like a speck on the daily. What up, Trey? This look like it's about to make a new low right here, man. Yeah, I know. Well, SMCI was my first trade. So that happened first. These other trades were afterwards. Really? Hmm. Yep. More ops tomorrow. I would just really like to see SMCI make some new highs here today. That would be really nice. Instead of coming down here to stop me out. Wow. Oh, yeah. Come on, SMCI. This is going to be my fault, too. Is what to do when it gets delisted. Is that where it's headed, Ben? Man, I'm scared to look away yet. Hopefully, this is just the buying opportunity of the day right here, and everybody jumps on in for the ride to the top. SMCI made another low. I was thinking on these double bottoms once it breaks that first low a day, I don't know, man. I feel like it's kind of time to leave it alone. Like broke this low a day and then made another one and broke that one. It's just like, yeah, that mug is just too weak, yo. Come on, SMCI. Man, that looked like a little retracement. That looked like a retracement for the shorts. That is not look what I wanted to see there. Sim still pushing new lows. And Walmart does what it's always done to me. Last time I traded Walmart, last few times I traded Walmart, I feel like that was the same. This is the same thing that happened. Yeah, I really honestly, if we were to look at things that check the boxes, the only stock that checked all the boxes was SMCI this morning. Had the gap, had the volume. Sim had the gap, no volume. Walmart had the volume, kind of a gap, a decent daily setup, but Walmart just never really does that much. The cap's too big. I got 30 shares on SMCI. Well, I started out with 26, 20, 21. I started out with 21. I sold a quarter through high of day and then added right here at VWAP, which is got me in my nervous peel sweats now. What's up, Jack? Now I'm just dreaming of selling another quarter at the high of day, 28.55. Wouldn't that be lovely? Yup. But yeah, Walmart was crap, Sim was crap, and the best thing was the best thing, you know? That's nice to see right there, though. That's really nice to see. Just to take out this little high here, and then now look to take out this high and this high, and then sell at that high. And then I want pre-market high, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm trying not to be too hot potato hands with my shares and wanting to take quarters off so much. I do wish I took a quarter off up here though. That would have made the ad a lot more sweet. But it just made sense to me to add right here because I could still my stop's at break even. And of course I would have been upset if I got stopped out right here, but I knew a break even stop would be, pretty low. And I would have a chance at more leverage if it went up for a second leg up. And especially since I'm already down quite a bit, thought it'd be nice to give myself that opportunity. Get them a little more leverage. Sam done caught a bid. Finally caught a bid. SMCI back down. Dang it, man. What's up, HH? Yeah, man. And if I wasn't looking to take those other losing trades, I probably would have taken some more profit up here. But instead of maximizing the good trade, trying to cast my net out further. Back on penny stocks, huh? Yeah, I wanted to look that up when Trey called that out, but I was too anxious about what I was watching. Dang. And it's halted up. Sheesh. That's a pretty nice chart there. Come on, man. Hold 27, man. Let's go to 30. Spy looking good. Hold 27. Let's go to 30. Mm, 3,500 at 135. Dang, man. Yeah, you already had the bag for sure. Yeah, this is looking redder than red. Wow. Well, there goes that. So, my rules won again. My rules won again. Um, this was just a crappy trade. Inside the opening range. I need to kind of be mindful of that. But it wasn't good enough. It wasn't close enough to lower day for me to be willing to risk that, so I shouldn't have traded it. But anyway, I traded it, put my risk here, stopped out. Would actually still be in it. I don't know if that would be a good thing or not, but I would still be in the trade if I used low of day there. And I took a second entry. So I think I would say neither of these losses would be here right now because I would either be still in the position or I would not have entered the position. So my rules would have saved me 2R there. And this is another one where I did not risk low of day. Had I risked low of day, I would have been down 1R. Or if I would have looked at this and said, this is not good risk to reward, then I would have not have taken the trade. So rules win again there. And then SMCI, great trade here. Good take profit, but then got distracted and did not take any more profit. This would have been a really nice thing to take profit into. Then I added their VWAP, which raised my stop, which if I had not done that, I would still be in the trade. Um, yeah, man. Them rules be winning. Them rules be winning, dog. Yeah, I gotta have more faith in them. I definitely gotta have more faith in the system and less faith in my desires of the moment. For sure. See, like if I really wanted to trade Walmart now, like one of these lows, you could be like, all right, now I can risk low of day. Especially this one right here. Like, okay, you can risk low of day for that. You know. He said Billy entry. And now the halt down. Yeah. Today was just man, poor execution. That sucks. That really sucks when you have good opportunity and you just poorly execute. Yeah. Because now it looks like it's about to rear up for another go. And man, I would still be in there too. Buy that spy flag. I know, right? Well, man, I had plenty of leverage on that stock too, man. I still had 16 shares. I didn't need to add so much back. Literally talked about this over the weekend. Literally talked about it. I got a lot from today though. I got a lot from today in the sense that I didn't feel that excited. I liked the daily on SYM, but it didn't have the volume. It didn't have the volume of people. Volume says that everybody's looking at it, everybody's excited about it, everybody's trading it. And that's what you need for the volatility. And so it just should have been easy to scrap this. Walmart had volume and has the daily setup. And I mean, I really can't say Walmart is terrible just because it made a low of day and never broke it. And had I traded it according to my plan, either I would still be in the trade or I would not have taken it because it didn't have good risk to reward. And also, this thing has a huge market cap, and that also makes me feel less exciting to trade it. Less excited to trade it. So, really, the only thing that I should have watched today was SMCI. But it's so hard for me to at the and in pre-market to sit down and be like, all right, I'm just gonna watch one thing, you know, because it's like a high chance that it's not even gonna give me a setup, you know. Um, Makes a lot of sense though. Makes a lot of sense. I'm glad I got my I think I got my pre-market scan kind of dialed in. I need to I'm gonna go ahead and draw the line in the sand though on these low volume things. Cause hmm, it's like I don't want it to be too strict because I want to be able to see the market, you know. I want to see what's going on. But 687. See, like if I want to filter out Walmart by market cap, um, sorry, um, so if I only want market cap under, yo, what's up, Danny? Another struggle day, man. Um, is that what it was? 99 million. Yeah, see, if I do that, everything disappears. Does that make sense? Um, if I want to filter, I want things with a market cap underneath. I guess 99 million is too. What happens there? Okay. All right, I just needed another number in there. Okay. Yeah, so I think I got um my scanner about dialed in. I just don't have my criteria all the way dialed in. Look at Walmart finally going. I just didn't have the patience, man. Just didn't have the patience. I really almost got in right here above this candle. which I don't think would have been bad. But it would have been difficult to have the patience to wait through all of this for it to play out. And that's the thing, the expectations, like who said it was going to happen at the open. And SMCI back over VWAP should still be in this trade. It's not too many days that I've seen where I've outplayed my rules, where it's like I made more money than my rules. It happens sometimes, but most of the time it don't happen. But yeah, I think I like where my scanner's at. Um, I definitely want the gap and the volume combo for sure. ATR. Stupid. All right. What's your day looking like, Danny? Yeah. So is this what it would have been with Mara too? Yeah. Mara didn't have the gap though. I guess it had the gap from the close, but it didn't have like a daily gap set up. Oh yeah. Man, all I got is bad trades today. Look at this SMCI, incredible winner. This is gonna kill me, man. It's gonna go. This is like the home run trade that I've been waiting for. Watch, man. This is the one, man. Everything about it says, look at Walmart, bruh. All I had to do was what my rules say and put my stop below low of day if I wanted to trade it. Right there. Stop below low of day. What, SMCI? I sold a little bit. I sold some here. And then I started looking at other things to trade, man. That's literally what I did. I came over here and jumped in Walmart. When did I take this profit? 950. Got a Walmart at 942. I got an SMCI at 941. And then I came over here and jumped in Walmart. Like, look at the difference in the setup. Look at this crap, this ranging crap. I came over here and got this beautiful reversal play down here off the lows with a nice risk to reward. And then I came over here and bought this junk way up here. and didn't even put my stop below low of day. Why? Because this would have been a ridiculous amount of risk. I guess not really. $1 would have been like $1. Yeah, I'm at max loss, Brian. I'm $5 past max loss. Um, and then I jump in Sim. Okay, this is the one I did when I should have been taking profit. This was 952. Yeah, I took profit over here at 950 and then started looking over here on Sim and got in here at 952. Like literally, look at these two candles. I'm sitting here watching this crap. 954 gets stopped out. When at 954, I should have been selling into this strength up here, taking profits out on SMCI. Literally. I found my winner. I found my good entry, and I should have just went tunnel vision and focused on maximizing. And look, then, take profits there and then be patient. Put your stop to break even, which was way down here. Way down here at $26, my stop would have been chilling. And then boom, we start making the move back up. Now I'm looking to take more profit up here at 28.50, which is approaching right now. And then I'm holding the rest for pre-market high. Wow, what a missed opportunity. Great trade though, but well, great initial trade and initial take profit. Everything else from there was a fail. Oh, there's Walmart new high of day. Ah. It's just like a little part of me that still has more faith in my decision making in the moment than my rules, which was also a decision that I made, but I made it outside of an emotional situation. I made it based on, hundreds of trades and hundreds of trading days and experiences and going back and looking at things and looking at myself. I decided on a rule, but in one moment inside of a trading day, I decide to override all of that for a decision of the moment. That that makes it sound really stupid. Like you've made all this, prep and planning and all right, if I do this, then most of the time this will happen and that'll be good for me. And if I do that, and you construct this thing and then you see a couple candles and you just decide to throw all of that out the window, man. All of the conclusions you've drawn from journaling and these experiences day after day. And just it's something in my mind in the moment that's like, no, but if I do this right now, that'll be better. And I guess this comes down to how many how many times will you need to prove this to yourself in order to believe it, for it to like change in your mind and for you to realize, okay, this is always the best thing to do. It is the only thing to do, you know? Yeah, I think SMCI is going to 32. I was really excited about being there for it. Uh, yeah, I'm pretty sad right now. It's like I wanted to break my rule and just jump back in, but it's like when are you gonna draw the line? It sucks to be ready to draw the line on a in a moment that's not profitable for you. But yeah, man. Like if I could just really believe that a better setup will present itself if I'm just patient. Yo, I mean, I had a YOLO moment right here, signature. I definitely am not YOLOing above VWAP. But yeah, my Walmart trade worked, lower day, boom. That would have been like, well, if I got in here, that would have been like 70 cent of risk from 86.60. So it'd be like $1.50 in the money right now. What, 1 hour? Hour and a half. But that thing could go, man. It's definitely set up for a nice move. Yeah, I just couldn't handle it, yo. I just couldn't handle it. On what? You talking about SMCI signature or Walmart? Gotta be talking about Walmart. Oh yeah. Did you get in on that signal? That's a really nice signal. If it told you to buy right here, that's great. That's a really good buy signal. Oh. Oh yeah, that's a really good buy signal right there, signature. I've been very happy to buy there and put my stop at low of day. Man, I'm still waiting to use my Bob's Burger twerk pick. Yeah, man. Oh yeah. I saw it pop on my scanner late. Yeah, actually, I looked at this daily. I thought this is a really nice daily right here because of this narrow range, high volume day yesterday. Man, it actually gave a really nice reversal setup right here. That would have been kind of crazy. These two candles might have been a little scary, but not really much volume in them. Oh yeah, and then this bounce right there. Yeah, you could have took that. Yeah, you could have took that. Yo, what's up, Silent Maker? Ah, just reflecting on the day of not following my rules and seeing my rules win. That's the crazy part, man. Seeing my rules win and just like messing it up. Just messing it up, man. Messing it up. But yeah, Walmart's really working out nicely. Yeah, would have taken some profit through 88 right there and stop to break even. See what happens, man. Hmm. It sucks because I feel like my my strategy and like my setup has really gotten to a nice place, and I'm seeing the potential. And every day I'm so excited about the potential, and then to come in and just like mess it up, like dang, now I gotta wait another day to see if it's real, to see if there's been growth. And uh it's like in these moments it almost feels impossible. Like I'm glad we got a lot of examples of people actually doing this, because I was just like, man, is it really possible to just sit here and make good decisions day after day? Nah, but I can remember a lot of stupid stuff I used to do. Like I used to move my stop down. Okay, I'm looking at it now. See, it took a while for it to load up. Hmm. Man, those high Kanashi candles really clean it up, huh? Hmm. Okay. That's interesting. I'm seeing the MACD lines. That looks pretty solid, signature. That looks really solid. I wonder what that looks like on here anyway. I know the MACD looked terrible. Oh man, look at SMCI, man. It looks so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me see here. Study configurations. Let's see what that looks like. Whoa. Uh, how do I do that? Chart area. Move down. No. uh, nah, yeah, you're right. That's pretty amazing though. uh, These gotta be lagging though. Do they really, like in real time, this green arrow will pop up right there? Why does this look so terrible? Oh, the arrows are the crossovers. I know, right? Oh, okay. Wow, the market really bounced. It was looking super sketchy earlier. Yeah, that's pretty interesting there, Sig. Yeah, I like that too, man. Red to green. Red to green is the new wave, man. Man, even Sim done retook VWAP. I tell you what, DOS does a much better job at the indicators too. Hmm. Right. No, I hear you. Man, SMCI, bro. Man, Nord, I wish I was in there with you, bro. I'm so disappointed in myself for messing this up. This would have been so epic. Nah, it's definitely too late for me, man. Nah. Okay, so the signal did pop up right here too. Yeah, I see it, man. Bruh, fumbled the bag, bro. Look at Sim right here, man. That looks really good. Huh. Well, that lasted no time at all. Would have waited for a break of this candle, but had other plans. Yeah, they are. It seemed like you could really buy the buy the green ones and sell the red ones. MSTU. Wow. Wow. Oh. Uh, yeah, it's gonna be too many more variables, yo. All right, y'all. That's a wrap for me. The longer I sit here, the longer I'm gonna be tempted to risk another trade to bring it on back, which I think Sim would be the one right here, yo. That mug is cooking up nicely on the 5 and 15 right now. That's funny, T-Lo. Yeah, I definitely got to stop with the cast your net approach, which is why I jumped in Walmart right after I jumped in SMCI. Clearly, SMCI was the better choice. Like, clearly. Risk to reward wise, better choice. So, why would I get in? The only reason to get into another trade while I'm in this trade is if it looks better. Like, if there's a setup better than this one for me, then I go, okay, that's why you took that. But this, to get into this, it's nasty work. Nasty work. Oh my God, there it goes, man. New high of day, SMCI. Would have loved to take a little more profit right there, just a little bit though, and then wait for. I'm telling you, man, I would really be waiting for $30. I'll sit here all day to wait for $30. I'll sell half up there. There goes Sim, bruh. It's so hard sitting here and not trading. That's kind of a bad candle right there, though. Yeah, I'm out of here, y'all. Let me get out of here. Starting to feel tempted. And just gotta not break rules, man. Anyway. Y'all be safe out here in the market. Follow your rules. Don't be like this guy. Anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.